Creating custom reports is hugely beneficial for those who want specific data refreshable by the click of a button. It can help ease the burden of manually finding information and can be largely customizable with the mass amount of data points available in Zacks Excel Link. In this video, we are going to discuss how to create a basic custom spreadsheet. We're going to take some of the information from other instructional videos and put together a pricing report. It may be beneficial to watch the videos on how to use the single data point, time series, and multi-company table before jumping into creating a custom spreadsheet. These beginner videos can be found in the Zacks link under Options, Help. As you can see, I have created a pricing template. I will show you step by step how we can create this report and have it refresh at the push of a button. I'm going to break it down by using our three main ways to pull data. First, we are going to find our ticker, company name, and our 5 different pricing points right here using the single data point link. So to do that, we're going to click on the cell we want to work in this case it's C3. We're going to go single data point, DBCM, descriptive, and then we're going to do ticker. I'm going to leave ticker if different from main ticker blank because I want it to run off of the workbook main ticker, which is currently set to dear. I'm going to hit apply, close, refresh, and now we'll see that the company ticker here is dear. Likewise, we're going to do the same thing for the company name, descriptive, company name, leave this blank. We'll hit apply and then refresh. Now we have the ticker and the company name. To change that, we can go to this change ticker box and we can simply put in the ticker we want to look at. Now, just to kind of give you more an example, we'll run through these 5 different pricing areas. So the current price, we'll do DBCM, price and price change. Current price, hit apply, close. I'm going to hit no so we can do these quicker. So no. We'll do the 52 week high, which is right here. Then we'll do the 52 week low, the 1 week price change, and then the 4 week price change. Now once that's all done, we'll go ahead and refresh the data. So now we'll see we have all of this information based off of our single data point. Next, let's find the 52-week price chart. To do this, we're going to go off to the side here and we're going to go to time series. Time series is a great way to pull in a series of data including dates and item value. So we're going to go to DBWP, which is our historical weekly prices, because we are trying to find the 52-week price chart. We're going to go price and volume data, weekly price, and then we're going to set our parameters over here on the right. I'm going to keep this #1. Let's do 52 weeks based on the area here. Keep this period pound, and I want to see the date and the item, for that's the best for graphing purposes. Date, time direction, we'll keep that the same. Orientation, I like to see my data going down, so I'm going to switch it to down. I'm going to keep this blank because I want it to run off of the same ticker that our single data points are. We'll hit apply, close, refresh. And now we have a weekly time series. So I'm going to take this time series, I'm just going to go insert, and then we're going to put in a chart. Just measure that out however we want to make it look nice. And then we'll get rid of this because we already know it's a 52-week price chart for Starbucks. Now again, we can go up to the top, we can do change ticker, and let's put back in dear. And this will actually adjust not only the single points, but it's also going to adjust the 52-week price chart. Lastly, let's find the peer information. The best way to find peer information is to go use the multi-company table. So we're going to go up here and click this. I like to see my tickers and companies going vertically and my data going horizontally. So I'm going to keep this the same. And I want to see the date, item name, and company name. So I'm going to keep everything here checked as well. I'll hit next. Now we have the databases, the category, and the items. So we already have the ticker and the company name included in what's going to be pushed out in this report. Let's add in our other 5 pricing points. So we'll do price and price change. We just need to double click. So we'll double click current price, the high, the low, and then we'll double click the 1 week and the 4 week. So now we have all of the items we want for our peer group. So let's hit next. And let's do ticker to be entered in first table column. So this is the manual input within Excel. So we want that one. Let's hit finish. So this is saying enter tickers in columns starting from active cell. When I hit OK, we're going to see where the active cell is because it's going to move and it's going to fill up that cell. So when I hit OK, our active cell is V6. So this is where we're going to start to put our ticker list. So let's just put in some peers for deer. So now that we have our peers, let's go up here and we'll do refresh selection. And now we have our peer list. So I'm just going to go through this. I like to reference current price. And let's do 52-week high, 52-week low, 1-week price change, and then 4-week price change. And let's just go ahead and drag these down. So now we have our peer information. So now utilizing the single data point, time series, and multi-company table, we put together a pricing spreadsheet for deer. This can be adjusted by switching this ticker and then changing our peers. But once this is done, we can go ahead and we can set the print area, file, print, and you'll now notice we have a printable pricing spreadsheet. Thank you for watching the Zacks Excel Link, how to create a custom spreadsheet.